In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn spell check on/off in Microsoft OneNote. Whether you're taking quick notes or polishing something to share, controlling spell check helps you focus. I'll show you exactly where the setting lives on Windows and on a Mac, and what the toggle actually changes so you know what to expect. Let's start in OneNote for Windows. With OneNote open, look to the top left and go to File, then select Options. This opens the OneNote Options window. In the list on the left, choose Proofing. You'll see a section labeled When Correcting Spelling in OneNote. Here, find the option called Check Spelling as you type. If you want OneNote to underline misspelled words while you're typing, make sure this box is checked. If you'd rather turn off those red underlines and review spelling later, uncheck it. When you're done, click OK to save and close the Options window. The change takes effect right away. A quick note on what this does. Turning on Check Spelling as you type adds real-time red underlines beneath words. OneNote thinks are misspelled. Turning it off removes those live indicators so you can capture ideas without visual interruptions. It doesn't rewrite your content. It simply changes whether OneNote flags potential mistakes as you work. Now, if you're using OneNote on a Mac, the path is a little different. With OneNote active, go to the menu bar at the top of your screen and choose OneNote, then Preferences. In Preferences, open the spelling or proofing settings, depending on your version. Look for Check Spelling as you type and either check it to enable live spell check or uncheck it to disable it. Close the Preferences window when you're finished. Just like on Windows, your choice applies immediately. If you don't see File at the top in your version, that's usually a sign you're on a Mac, where the main app menu appears in the Mac OS menu bar. Also, if your device is managed by an organization, some settings may be preset. If the option is grayed out, check with your admin. A couple of helpful reminders as you work. Enabling live spell check is great when accuracy matters, while disabling it can make brainstorming sessions feel cleaner and faster. You can always come back and toggle it the other way as your task changes. And if you use multiple devices, remember you may need to set this preference on each one, since it's controlled by the app on that device. That's it. Quick and simple. Now you know exactly how to turn spell check on or off in Microsoft OneNote on both Windows and Mac.